Every bite of food that you swallow becomes part of you, like the part that makes your heart beat or your lungs breathe, or the part that connects thoughts zipping around in your brain, igniting your passion. There is about 8 billion of us on this planet eating food every day, and most of that food comes from an industrialized system that produces toxic food that's lacking in nutrition. Your body is the tool that you use to create your life. So it makes sense to feed yourself the best food. Growing a garden has the power to change the future of everything. I am super excited to teach you how to grow food, regardless of where you're living or what your skill set. This course is for the one who isn't afraid to get dirt under their fingernails or drag mud in on their shoes. It's for the one who has access to a windowsill or a tabletop, or a raised bed in the yard, or a balcony or a patio. I'm going to teach you how to develop your green thumb mindset. What you decide to grow is going to be up to you. You're going to be growing gardens in a way that connects you to the place and the planet. Along the way, you're going to rediscover what real food tastes like and why that matters to your body and your mind. But most importantly, it's my goal and my hope for you that you reclaim your inheritance, a skill called growing your food. I'm Tess Hoke, a garden educator and real food mentor, and this is Superpeer.